Okay, I just got done painting the Sportster cylinders and heads, or repainting the heads anyway. So I use this Dupli-Color paint. I'm not too satisfied with it. This can here, I don't know what's wrong with it, but it comes out under very high pressure, very high volume, but very splotty, like this. So it puts out a stream, pretty narrow stream, and just pours it on there. Just so you can see how it just runs away, and then it just kind of splatters all over the place. So you're trying to paint this stuff and get an even coat, you're just not getting it, and you're just flooding the paint on it. Now I've used some of this stuff before a year or so back. I tested it. It was all right paint, but it was kind of brittly, so I don't like it more than my old stuff was. So I just don't know what's wrong with this stuff here. But this can here just did not work correctly at all. Be back in a minute. Whew. Okay, I'm back. Cold here. I wish it was 94 degrees here. Okay, so these have been sitting here for, it is warm over here. I like this heat. Oh, this is hot over here. I like this. Probably 54 inside the building here. Anyway, so I repainted these heads here. And like I said, they went on real splotchy and crappy, so I don't know how they actually painted on there or not. Anyway, you can see that's more paint on the edge here, it looks like. Anyway, these are the cylinders here. So I did these. So they look pretty good from this angle. Yeah, a little sticky, but yeah, it looks like it kind of leveled out a little bit. I baked them here in the oven at 130 degrees or so until it cooled off to 93. The stuff dries really fast, and whatever overspray you got in the bores didn't want to come off. I had to use brake clean to get it off, but finally got the paint out of the cylinder bores. It was pissing me off. My normal stuff wasn't cutting it. So, like I said, it went on real blotchly. Like I said, it flooded, it drains, or it spits out all over the place. It puts big pecker, all marks all over the place. But it looks like it halfway leveled out here. So, looks like it might have been all right. And like I said, I don't know what the coverage is because it just kept running off. It was so thick. And these I just color matched by spraying on these to match the cylinders, so they should be pretty good. So this has 2 layers on this, I guess. I did 1 layer on this side and 2 layers the other way, so hopefully it's good coverage. But like I said, the paint just didn't work, so I don't know if that's a common thing or what. But like I said, it had way too much pressure in the can and way too big of a tip. And then the stuff being quick drying, it was pretty much spitting out all the time anyway. But the second time after it cleared, the tip probably plugged up a little bit and it started getting more and more peckery. It looks like the back of that was just splattered everywhere. You just couldn't get a nice even spray coat. It just didn't spray like that. It just junk. So anyway, we'll see. It looks like it might have turned out all right, but it definitely went on pretty bad. But oh well, there you go. So he wanted silver. He's got silver.